MJHS. I'm Zach.
And I'm Tim, and you're watching Daily Eagle.
Make sure you're collecting items for Trees for Troops. The fundraiser ends this week. Keep bringing in items to support the troops.
Boaters Club meets today after school.
The book fair starts tomorrow and ends on Monday. There will be books there from Joseph Beth Booksellers. Happy reading.
Be part of something awesome, the after-school kickboxing program. Build self-esteem, respect, discipline, mental focus, core strength, flexibility, balance, and overall athleticism. There are 4 classes immediately after school in the gym. The cost is $30. Sign up ASAP. Forms are in the office.
The Josh Cares Dodgeball Tournament is tomorrow. We wish your teams luck. Also tomorrow will be a team day and an early release day.
The second drama workshop will take place Wednesday, October 28th from 2:30 to 4 p.m. in room 31B. Please see Ms. Smith for more information or questions that you may have.
The 7th grade boys basketball open gym is scheduled for today, October 26th from 4:30 to 6:30, and on Wednesday, October 28th from 4:30 to 6:30.
Do you know someone who has bravely served their country in the armed forces? We would love to honor any family members or friends that have served their country by inviting them to our annual Veterans Day program to speak with our students about their experiences. We have a great day planned which includes breakfast and lunch provided to our veterans. If you would like to invite a veteran to join us, please pick up a form from your social studies teacher for more information.
Make sure to buy your yearbook. They are $40 and you can buy them online or turn in your form into the office.
Happy weekend birthday to Sarah Maymone, Brianna Halford, Franklin Apt, Jennifer Kelly, Colin Murphy, and Jackson Sharp. And today, Abby Theroff and Camille Weeks.
And now it's time for the joke of the day. So Tim, what did the sushi say to the bee?
I have no idea.
Wasabi!
I get it because of the sushi and the bee. Send us your jokes at thedailyEagleMJHS.blogspot.com.
Have a great day, MJHS.
Bye.
Bye.